Hello, I'm Mimi, and today I want to take you with me on a colour palette walk. Join me as we look for inspiration in the lush, temperate surrounds of a beautiful stream and waterfall, and take a moment to stop and focus on the details of nature right under our feet. Details that are rich in beautiful colour palettes and textures that are so easily overlooked. Details that, when given attention and time to be admired, might just start to inspire an artistic view of the world around us. A lot of you watching this might be new to thinking about colour. You might be busy developing your own art style, trying new compositions, characters, making good art, and like all of us, making mistakes. But for just this moment, I want you to imagine you're sitting here next to me on the banks of this peaceful stream and forget about the doing and creating of things, and just look. What colours do you really see? When you look beyond what you think should just be green grass and brown bark, what colours are really there? And which ones surprise you? It's amazing what you'll notice when you give yourself the time to look. I see the blues of the sky reflecting in the water, naturally complementing the oranges of the riverbed. I see how the frothy, churned up water creates wonderfully gentle, cool blues and greens, and how the sun-bathed rock glows in warm, gentle browns. How many greens can you actually see in this tiny snapshot of the forest? Warm green, cool green, bluish green, brown green, orange green. When we give ourselves the time to look at the world in colour, we start to see that the sky isn't always just blue. Bark isn't just brown, and the grass isn't always green. But sometimes it is. When we get in the habit of truly looking at the colours around us, we see a world that is rich even in places we don't expect. As artists, we get to be conscious and intentional about every choice of colour, which is a gift and also a little overwhelming. So it's okay to slow down, simplify things, and take inspiration from what we see. Colour theory is as complex as you want it to be. I hope this walk has helped you to see that beautiful colour inspiration is all around us if we just slow down and look more intentionally. I'll be taking you on more colour palette walks in different environments very soon, so if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing so we can share another adventure together. And I'll be sharing some of the palettes from this video in the description below that you can use in your own art. I made this video to share some colour inspiration with you and to show you that although understanding colour theory can be really helpful, it isn't necessary to making art. If colour overwhelms you, then slow down, take inspiration from nature who does it so well, and just do what feels right for you. No need to pressure yourself with textbook learning if that's not your thing right now. Thank you so much for all your support recently. It means so much and I appreciate every single one of you. See you next time.